Amazon into its earnings report coming up August 1st. Here we are on the monthly chart. We've got a break above this important high. The thing is, we have yet to see a sustained break, meaning 2 successive monthly closes above that peak, right? We have one from last month, but this one's still in the works. So now let's take that down a time frame. So now we're switching to a weekly chart, and let's look at what is happening here. All right, so we have a pullback within the context of the most recent uptrend, and the most important support is here at 173.87. My favorite momentum indicator, the RSI power zones, is simply working off overbought conditions, something I like to see, which means bulls might be getting ready to refuel. All right, now let's take this down to a daily chart so we can get more into the details here ahead of the earnings announcement. The price action came back into this May 31st range, which was super important support, and now is starting to tick back higher. The level here that I'd used on the monthly chart, I'm going to remove because that was something we've been kind of trading around. Let's replace it with the more precise level here in the daily. All right. So here's the framework. When you are heading into any earnings report, you don't need to have like a bajillion, support and resistance out many levels away. What you're first trying to do is get the bearings on how the stock reacts to the news release. And remember, it's not always that good earnings reports were going to lead to higher share prices, or bad earnings reports can lead to lower ones. It's all about what is already sort of baked into the action. So what I'm seeing here is that there's room for Amazon shares to trade higher, and it requires a move above 189.39. But if that happens, here's what I see unfolding. So here's a forecast, a specific projection of time meeting price for Amazon shares to potentially trade higher into August 28th, up into the 204.13 price level. All right. So a forecast is not a guarantee. It is a guidepost. It's like a magnet pulling price, in this case, up into the right potentially, but you have to use the price action to monitor along the way. So if you're new here, I'm Hema Reddy, and I use price action like candlesticks, market timing, forecasting that I just showed you, and momentum via my momentum indicator, the RSI power zones, to boost my trading and that of my drives. Here is what I have for you for Amazon. We got to see how it plays out. I don't have a crystal ball, but this forecast is definitely showing potential. The first requirement to get there would be a move above 189.39. Now, on the flip side, if shares weaken after the earnings release, then I'd watch out for the support at 173.87. If that gets broken below, then next up you have 166.32, and then beyond that you have 159.76. So we'll see how it goes up there. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, drop a comment down below so I know to make more content like this, and I'll catch you next time.